Good morning, my eighth grade group. Today we are going to be doing our first lesson in physical science. It is activity 1.1. It's titled Anchoring Activity. And with this, you're going to log on to iQuest, and all that's there is a box that says data collection and observation. So you are going to watch this video, and then you're going to come up with some observations that you made. So some of the prompting questions that you can think about. Um, this activity is going to, this is how it's going to look because the video is separate. It's part two of this. So you have 2 meter 6, and they're a tiny bit apart. And you have 2 very strong magnets hooked together. And then you have like 5 steel balls in front of the magnets. And then you're going to use 1 in back of the magnets. Now the meter 6 are taped to the ground. So they are forming like I guess like a trail kind of, like a track. So you're going to take the 1 steel ball and you're going to tap it, and it's going to go towards the magnets, and then it's going to act as what's called a magnetic cannon. So some of the prompts that you should respond to in your data, your observations or whatever. How did the steel ball move compared to the one that you rolled towards the magnet? Why do you think that happened? What evidence supports your claim? Did it make a difference whether 1, 2, or 3 balls were attached to the magnets? We did 5. And then in a couple, I'm going to post a couple different videos because then, of course, my son wanted to do more. And you will see our cats in the video. They were quite entertaining as we were doing this activity in the kitchen on the wooden floor. Did it make a difference if you used 1 or 2 magnets? We did increase the number of magnets. And again, I'll post a couple different videos. I tried to do some in slow-mo, so we'll see if I can upload them and if they work. What happened to the magnets and steel ball connected to them during the collision and firing? If they moved, did they move forward or backwards? Why do you think it happened? Did the outgoing steel ball have more or less kinetic energy than the incoming one? And where did this kinetic energy come from? So those are just a couple of the questions. The main thing that you're looking for in this activity is you're looking for the relationship between force and energy. So that's kind of it for today. If you didn't finish your Earth Day poster, they are due today. So if you would take a picture of it and either email it to me or take a picture and paste it into a Google Doc, and you can share it. And also your current event that is due on the 27th. So it's quite entertaining. I think you'll see when you look at the videos. Our cat Skittle, who's the little one that has all 4 white paws, and Sylvester were very entertained with the magnetic cannon activity. So I hope you enjoy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a question on Google Classroom. Really, it's not very sciencey, but I just want to make sure that you guys are logging on and watching the videos and participating. And there will be some incentives for when we return for those that have logged on the most times, or and it's per day. I just want to know that you're here once a day, so that way I know that you are doing your work. Okay, so log on, watch the videos, look for the question that I post in the morning, and answer that question. And I'm going to log how many people communicate with me every day. That, I'm glad that you're checking in. That's all I want you to do is just to check in, check what you need to do it, and be done. Okay, so day 2 of our little hiatus from actual classroom. And I hope you guys are healthy and enjoy watching the videos.